Hey, Luna. Luna, can you go to sleep? Is that what does Grumpy sound like when he sleeps? What does Daddy sound like when he sleeps?